Hi class, today we have the 19th lesson for differentiation of calculus. Yes, but today I want us to look at implicit functions. How do we differentiate implicit functions? So this is the first example for implicit functions. So I decided to say part 1 for implicit function. But for differentiation in general, it is the 19th lesson. All right, we want to find the y dx with a given function x squared plus y squared equal to 25. But you cannot differentiate implicit function if you don't know how to identify implicit function. All right, for beginners, the algebraic aspect, the one that just contains x and y, how do we easily identify that this is an implicit function? When you have a higher power of y other than 1, straight away it is an implicit function. When you differentiate, consider implicit function. Instead of just y, you have y with either 2 or more power. Or the other case again is that when x and y appear in a term, this again you can consider it to be an implicit function. Most cases, these two are the ways when x and y are in a term, or y has a higher power more than 1. It could be 2 or more. Okay. Now I want to find dy dx. Want to find dy dx. As usual, how do we differentiate x squared? What is in front here is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Then here minus 1. It will remain 1, which is not necessary to be written. Plus. How do we differentiate? Here is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Y minus 1 is 1. Not necessary to be written. But it appears as if, whether it is implicit or not, it doesn't make any difference. Here is the difference. When you are differentiating, when you know that the function is an implicit function and you are differentiating, once you differentiate y, you must attach dy dx. Listen attentively. The only difference is the one I just mentioned. Once you differentiate y, immediately attach dy dx. So if we differentiate 25, 25 does not contain this x, so it's a constant. Differentiating a constant is 0. We want dy dx. So this term contains dy dx. So we say 2y dy dx equal to, we move this to the other side, minus 2x. But we need only dy dx, so we divide by 2y. So 2y goes with 2y. Dy dx is equal to, this goes minus x over y. So this is what we have for part 1 of implicit functions. That is the 19th lesson for differentiation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.